My name is Tammy Sheffield, and currently I am an online teacher for one of our virtual schools here in Kansas. I teach senior level British and World Literature as well as the Creative Writing elective course. This is my second year as a virtual teacher, and prior to that I spent 4 years teaching at brick and mortar locations. I have to say that my best teaching experience has been in the virtual world. I really enjoy it. And one of my goals in pursuing an instructional technology degree is to improve myself as an online teacher and get better at engaging my students in the things we're trying to cover online with them. I'm hoping that through this course and other courses I'll take in the program that I will be able to use the technology that's out there to really help my students engage in the curriculum and in what we're doing in class. One of the biggest challenges working in a virtual classroom is making my live classes exciting and engaging. Right now the system we use is the same system we have here at Fort Hays. It's the Blackboard Collaborative. And it's not I don't know, the format is really good and you can do a lot of things with it, but I know there's so much out there in technology that I could be using even in the Blackboard classroom that would engage my students more, and I'm hoping to become better at using all these different technologies that are out there that I can maybe incorporate into my classroom ideas, strategies to make what I'm doing online a lot more engaging for my students. Some of my interest in pursuing this degree, like I said, I want to become the best at technology that I can. The better I can serve my students, the better teacher I can be with them. Outside of teaching, I am a mother and a grandmother. My husband and I have been married for 30 years, and we currently have 6 grandchildren with our 7th one on the way. My daughter will be having her second son on June 1st, so we've got that to look forward to. I really don't know what else to say about myself. I am looking forward to this class and all the other classes in this program because I really do want to learn everything I can about technology and using it to work with my students. I look forward to getting to know everybody in the class and hear your ideas and share your strategies and everything. Thank you and have a good day.